Welcome to the M&J Electronic Security series of tutorial videos. Today we will be giving you directions on the basic keypad functions of your Eurosec CP8L intruder alarm control panel. The following functions will be demonstrated in this video: arming your alarm system, disarming your alarm system, part arming your alarm system, and resetting your alarm system after an activation. To arm your system when leaving the premises, simply type in your 4-digit user code, wait until the keypad beeps, and then press the full lock key as I'm about to demonstrate. You may exit the premises whilst the exit buzzer is sounding. When the buzzer stops, the alarm system is fully set. When you return to the premises, the system will restart the buzzer. To disarm, simply type in your user code as I'm about to demonstrate. The display will show the system is now unset. To set the system and remain in the apartment, or part set the system, you simply type in your code, again wait for the beep, but on this occasion we press the half lock button, the one directly below the full lock, as I'm about to demonstrate. Wait for the beep, that's it. Now half lock. After approximately 5 seconds, the keypad will beep like so, and your system is now set using perimeter devices only, so you may move freely about the apartment. Again, to disarm this function, simply type in your user code. The system will now return to the unset condition. In the event that the alarm system activates whilst you are away from the premises, the bells will silence after a predetermined amount of time. When you return to the premises, as I'm about to demonstrate, the alarm system will display the area that caused the fault or the activation in the alarm system. Open the front door, the buzzer will sound. Type in your code and observe. Unset the system. It now shows that alarm 2 PIR in the hallway activated. The system will then invite you to check this fault. When you've checked the fault and you're happy that there is no fault or no intrusion, to clear this message, type in your code again, followed by the reset button at the bottom right hand side. The system will return to the time and date and show that it's unset.